bad. So I'm getting the best. Literally.
No, I swear.
best.
Next time, come to England. We'll go nuggies, proper nuggies.
Come to England? Why would I do
Come to England. Place of real nuggies.
Yeah, so why come to England? No, you don't go to England.
I've been to England. What do you mean?
We know
Why would I
nuggies.
eat?
It's not
You know,
microwave nuggies.
You know nuggies.
Proper nuggies.
But hey, you know microwave, but check out this microwave chicken nugget. Mmm. Mmm.
You just don't microwave chicken nuggets. No, it's an oven. You gotta let them cook properly.
This should be this should be a law. A law in the whole fucking world. Don't cook nuggies
Right.
in the microwave.
Right.
Or you get
Ragnar is
executed.
right.
Ragnar, more like Ragnar. Haha, because you're wrong. Why is my controller stuck? What the hell?
No, it's
Hold
actually
on.
right.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Ragnar knows.
Yeah.
Then why does
Nuggies
your
are
why
not
does
meant
why,
to be microwaved. You have to properly cook.
What do you mean?
then why am I having delicious microwave nuggets right now?
Because you're a
Mmm.
typical American.
I'm not American. I'm Danish.
But why are you acting like American by having microwavable nuggies?
Oh my god.
I'm not American.
Yeah, I'm acting American.
I'm further
You're
away.
acting
I'm further
no,
away from
you're
Americans than you are.
No, you're acting American by having microwavable nuggies.
Did you go to Speed, mate?
You know what?
I went to
You're
Speed, mate.
fucking
next time-
Danish.
Everyone was so nice.
Yeah? What are you then, huh, punk?
Okay, so at the end of like
Austrian.
I normally just wrap all my VR stuff
Punk.
back and I put my Rift away because
Fair enough.
it takes
Fair enough.
Fair enough.
I'll fight
Yeah.
you tomorrow.
So I just put it all back.
Fight you tomorrow.
I fight you right now.
Tomorrow, after my nuggies.
You know, if I'm busy eating my chicken nuggets, my microwave chicken nuggets.
You're fucking,
I met
fucking insane.
You know what?
Don't do it.
I have another
Yeah,
one. I
yeah,
have
like-
another one.
Julian was there.
I have 4 to go. You know this one?
A great country
Mm.
like the
No, I was
Danish
there.
that are basically like the root of the Vikings.
Yeah,
And then there's like coming some
Garbage can was there.
Come in the first place, yeah.
microwave nuggies.
Juice out.
Wait, were you Austrian or Australian?
That's what you sound like.
Austrian.
I met Asami there.
Yeah.
I met
Oh.
Asami. all
We
the
started
way.
two
if it
world
was-
wars and we blamed both on Germany.
Wait, where the heck is my hand? Oh gosh, I'm on fire. Help. 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 Help.
And he's sitting there and eating nuggies in the microwave.
He was doing a survey for everybody.
That's it, pretty
Oh my
much.
fucking god.
Oh no,
There's
where's my
that.
hand?
Hello.
Broski. Broski, please. Come back.
Mark was
There you go. I'm good. I'm Gucci now. I'm
Okay.
Gucci gang 'cause I
But
had
now
microwave
they
chicken nuggets.
first started with the mustard with the gas, and now they have mustard on the nuggies.
So Pierre got
Oh yes,
started.
we even put honey on our nuggies as well
They got stuck in the room.
because it's good.
You
I
can
mean,
put
that's
honey
okay.
on nuggets?
Yeah,
Yeah.
And I kept telling
it's
him,
called
"No,
maple
don't
syrup.
Microwave honey chicken nuggets. Oh, I gotta be.
Oh my fucking god. Why did you say this? Why?
But not a microwave
Why?
nuggies. A normal nuggies you can put honey on.
What do you mean?
Oh, it was a wholesome experience.
Yeah.
It was like, whoa, you have really nice tits, but
Mhm.
if I look close,
What about brown sauce?
Yes, you could do a little work.
But it's also the community me.
Does no one care about the brown sauce? No, it's not barbecue. It's brown sauce.
We're not British.
From what I've heard,
But I
Nah,
do care
it's
about
a
brown sauce.
barbecue
Brown sauce
sauce.
good. It's so good.
No, it's not barbecue sauce. It's brown sauce. It's not barbecue
I know,
sauce.
it's
Like
brown
literally
sauce.
when I say it's red sauce, but it's some like
It's
barbecue
brown.
thingy.
It's not
The brown
barbecue.
sauce is a beautiful,
I think I'm too scared.
tangy flavour that you would normally find on one's bacon
I
butty.
understand. And then I say that,
And it's
I'm like,
thick.
oh, this one,
What's a
you
butty?
don't hear about it. You just don't hear about
It's a
it.
bacon
up?
sandwich.
Honestly, I don't read the fucking.
Like then say bacon sandwich. What the hell?
No, because
What the hell is
Where's the
wrong with
bacon
British
butty?
people?
And there's dark
Mm.
name dropping every 2 seconds.
No, okay,
No,
I'm gonna put
it's a
it out here.
bacon buddy.
He seems like a good lad, but he's fucking.
Bacon body.
Okay.
Bacon butty.
I don't know. We got a lot
Oh, don't worry about me. I'm just
Getting
eating chicken
orange.
nuggets.
Slapping her ass with
Bacon
orange.
body.
You get orange.
Bacon
Slap
body
her ass with brown
and
sauce.
microwave
2
nuggies.
pieces of bread.
Wait. Hold on. Everyone gather around. This is my final microwave chicken nugget. This is my final.
Yeah, no.
Amen. Oh. Ragnar?
You see how hard and
You like
chewy that
them?
sounds? Right
You-
now,
you can-
I'm looking the way the chicken number
You
goes.
can eat your
No.
microwave nuggies on your own. No. Not supporting this.
I already did it.
No.
You were here for it, fam.
No, you heard it. You can hear the disgruntled in his voice, the way he had to chew 3-4 times. But normal nuggies, you chew once, and that's it, and it's gone.
Yeah.
It's good for you.
Because they melt in your mouth. You just like bite it once, maybe a second time, and they melt in your mouth.
Gone.
Yeah, that's what I did. So good. Micro chicken nuggets.
Nah, we heard it.
You can stretch it out
it's
for
like
5 meals. Literally.
we heard it through your mic. It was like you're chewing on a fucking piece of rubber.
Yeah.
AKA, you guys were missing out. You guys were missing. What?
Don't miss it. See. Yeah, but Orange, you've chased on a different type.
You clearly haven't seen. No.
Your rubber was sweet that would normally be either kind of bitter. It's a black, about yay big. If you're talking about licorice root,
Yeah,
the root's actually brown and it's about yay big.
How do you explain licorice to people who don't know licorice? That's a good question.
You know, we have like something like Sachertorte.
Oh yes, totally.
Sachertorte, yeah.
Yeah, whatever. Totally.
Is it from
Do you
a
know
root?
about micro chicken nuggets?
What?
Yeah.
Is it from a root?
It's the root of all taste.
Your Sachertorten, is it from root? Is it a plant root?
Shit looks like shit when you
What? No. What?
Like the way I fucked with
It's a fucking
Yours-
cake.
Wow.
It's a cake, right? Cake. See,
It's a cake.
licorice is from a root. That's how you get licorice.
What's a root? I mean, a tree root?
Yeah, like a tree root.
Yeah, a plant.
Yeah.
It is so good.
I'm talking about sweets, not a fucking
Yeah,
plant.
but this is
Licorice
sweet.
is a sweet.
You just get it from a plant.
You
Yeah,
said
you
it's
know nothing
bitter,
about
so
sweets.
it's not a sweet.
No, you
It
said
is
it was
bitter.
bitter. I didn't. It is bitter,
the
but you said
root,
that.
the root itself is bitter,
No,
but
you
you
said
can
it's
process it into a sweet.
No, he said it. I wouldn't say it was bitter. I don't know how to explain
the root
licorice.
is bitter. You can actually
See?
suck on the root of the plant, and you can.
He was like, oh, this dude, you should see
It's like vanilla, but not vanilla. It doesn't taste anything like vanilla, but it's like a root like vanilla, you know?
if you got it,
Yeah.
right? There's nothing to be ashamed.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Still better than the microwave chicken nugget, but.
Okay, alright, okay.
Probably.
Who invited you here? Who invited any of you?
I don't know, the Twitter thing. I just
No, admit it.
Oh, you're
Admit it.
always welcome. But you don't like micro chicken nuggets, so I'm gonna consider your application. So will I consider your twos. I'm
in general,
sorry.
dude. Well, you talk to like every millisecond. Yeah, but like a month ago I didn't. Yeah, it is. But, dude, I go to general every now and
You
then.
gonna how are you alive without a microwave?
And now I have a microwave.
Oh,
I used last year. I used the fucking microwave maybe
Umbra,
6 times
who else? Who are the other
in
criminals?
the whole fucking year.
And then you got the two people that try to talk shit to me, and I just.
It's not the same. It's not the
Me,
same.
my
It's
fucking
not the
microwave
same.
fits into the oven.
Anyways, guys, did you
How can you say it? It's
You
no.
see, it's so smart. It's so smart. It's smaller. It's faster. How is it not better than an oven?
Monday, but like I had
My
nothing
oven
to do,
is
like,
quite
until,
proudly
like,
sat
like,
there.
a couple discs.
You
Do you
underneath the
know
four
how a
pods.
microwave works?
Yeah.
No, I have other
Yeah.
Discords.
It
No,
you,
I should.
you click the wheel. It's like brrrr, it spins. And you got chicken nuggets in 3 minutes. In the oven, you gotta wait at least 20.
Fucking ring or anything like that. But like I have.
Oh my
I
god.
thought the oven was a good idea when you have a microwave.
But in the but in the oven you have a crispy outside, a crispy
Who cares about
outside,
crispy?
and
If
a
you want
butter
crispy, eat
sweet.
chips. Eat chips if you want crisp. This is chicken nuggets. You don't eat crisp or chips or whatever you want to call it in the microwave.
This
don't
is
eat
the
that
point
anyhow.
of fried stuff, like
Here we go.
nuggets. You have a crispy outside, and
A
meat
soft
inside is soft that it melts on your thumb.
Yeah.
This is the whole
That's the
fucking point
idea.
of it.
You guys are nuts. Absolute nuts. To be fair, you're British and you're Austrian.
And then I'm off Sunday.
You don't have a microwave.
Tuesday, so Sunday night I can do it. I might not stay long because Monday morning when Aki is helping me do my intro. Damn it! You're right. I'll drink to that.
You see how microwave nuggets
This
was
is the
mentioned
whole
first?
point on it.
not supposed to
The
put them in
seam?
the microwave. You put them
It's
in
bacon
the
here.
oven.
Say hi to Sabrina.
It's the same with fucking pommes.
You boil water in the kettle.
But it was nice.
Oh my!
No,
you
I'm
the
don't have
same
a
with
microwave.
pommes. You want a crispy outside
You know,
I don't.
and a...
I don't.
What?
tomorrow I'm off work, so I can actually hang out. I might do some mahjong.
You're a fucking lunatic.
And I'll come see the boys.
What are you gonna do about it?
Don't turn your back on this one.
Go into therapy. That's what I do.
I am already in therapy,
therapy.
but I will still eat my nuggies in the microwave. Or I'll not eat them while they're in the microwave. I will take them out and then eat them, but you know what I mean.
No, you know what I do? I'm gonna drink more. I forget this conversation too
I
much.
think I need it. I think I really.
Don't we all? I don't know, but I don't know. Let's fucking go. Let's forget I ever met British and Austrian.
When will this game work?
That's okay.
You're not the
You-
only one
What
that
happened to
drinking?
introducing me to
Or you
friends?
the
What
only one
heck?
that's not drinking?
I'm gonna meet the guy.
Where's everybody? How about now?
Sorry, Orange likes being
Always
sandwiched.
remember-
You can remind me what happened.
Microwave chicken nuggies. That's the only same thing to do.
What's wrong with you?
It's already happened.
How do you want to
There's
remember
nothing wrong
something
with-
like this?
How would you want to remember the British and the Austrian?
You do that,
Yeah,
you do that.
I mean, that's a point. Yeah.
American, American.
We
Yeah,
finally
to forget
made ground.
everything, yeah.
What?
Wait, why is my YouTube stop playing? Fuck you.
Why should
YouTube.
YouTube stop playing? It bailed on you. Because you don't like microwave chicken nuggies. Why is my
Because
YouTube
I
stop
said
playing?
too much It literally said too much microwave nuggets.
Your friend requested
Stop
it, I
working.
did it, but
It's bad.
Ooh,
Yeah.
ooh, I'm listening to two and
See?
third singing. Oops.
Even YouTube is disgusted.
Yeah, and I accepted it, and it's
It's about time.
YouTube doesn't care. YouTube cares about the money, and the money is in the microwave chicken nuggies.
You don't know that. You don't know that.
Sure.
Where's your proof? Give
How
me your
would I-
files, and I want to see your reports.
Alright, I'll show you my polish. Check this out.
No.
It's
YouTube
right here,
cares.
it's right
No,
here.
no. You know what YouTube cares? You know what YouTube cares?
Yeah,
Porn
what's
that
up?
they can advertise.
where they are. They're drinking now. They
Yeah.
just went to another world.
They can do that?
That
Oh,
is
let
how
me check.
YouTube can. Yeah, of course.
Drop a fall.
You're nothing
Just
but
kidding.
an
I only listen to two and third
advertisement,
singing.
you-
Duh, duh, duh.